Morning students. So today our topic is phrase. Phrase, a group of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. Actually phrase क्या होते हैं, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना under a table, on the table, okay, in the bag, in this way. So means they are a group of words but they are not making a complete sense. Okay, so in this way this is called a phrase. Okay, so phrase, take one example, the traveler sat down under a tree. So here is phrase is what, under a tree. This is the phrase here. This is a phrase here, means a group of words we having but it not giving the sense. What, under a table, under a tree is what, means that is a part of a sentence. The traveler sat down under a tree, in this way. So this is the phrase. Okay, to play, for example one more, to play chess. So this is also a phrase. Phrase means a group of words. Okay, and this is the part of a sentence like this. Children like flying kites. Here flying kites. So this is the example of a phrase. Okay, so phrase क्या है, phrase जो है has no subject, ना तो उसका subject होता है, ना subject होते हैं उसमें, ना ही verb होते हैं. अब यहाँ पर देखो example, flying kites क्या है, there is a no subject. Okay, to play chess, again there is a no subject and verb. Again under a tree there is a no subject and verb. Such phrases जो है हमारे जो है उसमें कोई जो है ना तो subject होता है ना ही verb होता है. ठीक है. Now come to the clause. Clause is what? A group of words that forms a part of a sentence and has a subject and a finite verb of its own is called a clause. Clause क्या है? That is also a group of words and it is a part of a sentence but it give a complete sense. Means उसमें हमें जो है complete sense मिलती है. A clause has only one finite verb in it. लेकिन जो है clause में क्या है, हमारे क्या होता है, has सब्जेक्ट भी है और वर्ब भी होता है इसमें. ठीक है, और इसीलिए जो हमें कंप्लीट सेंस देते हैं. सो समटाइम दे कैन स्टैंड बाय इट्स ओन ऑल्सो बट दे आर ऑलवेज द पार्ट्स ऑफ ए सेंटेंस. ओके, सो क्लोज कैन एक्ट एज ए सेंटेंस और ए पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ठीक है, तो क्लोज जो है एक सेंटेंस भी हो सकता है, पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस भी हम कह सकते हैं. सो वी प्ले व्हाट, we play football every day. Here is what, we having one subject. Here look, this one, this is our subject and this is our verb. ये subject है और verb है हमारा. So my neighbor is a man who owns great wealth. So in this what, this is the who is our subject and this is the verb. So this is the clause here. Clause is what, who owns great wealth. So this is our what, that is our clause. Okay, so in this way we have completed our phrase and clauses. So it's clear, phrases जो है group of words होते हैं जिसमें हमारा subject और जो है verb नहीं होता, और clause भी जो है क्लोजेस होते हैं उसमें हमारा सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब होता है और ये कंप्लीट सेंस देता है. बट इन द फ्रेजेस दे डोंट गिव द कंप्लीट सेंस. ओके, थैंक यू.